this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you. I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
I do this for the kids who sit a bit outside the mix, who maybe cope through humor just to fit in for a bit, who never let the world know when depression's setting in. To all of those who know you, that impression don't exist, and it ain't counterfeit, it's just a way to counter it. I'm living things I dreamed about, I still encounter it. It ain't something that a cigarette or alcohol can fix, but all because of it I flipped it quick, went on to write some hits. This a success off another breath. This the first step in searching to be nothing less than be the best in what you do, to prove their strength in being you. Learn so much in chasing dreams that I never would in school. Depends on where your passion lie, just no passion never lie. Life presents distractions, but your actions have to fortify the things that you believe in. Have to scream it like a battle cry, and leave the ones who didn't looking stupid while they're asking why. Couldn't lie, I really do this for the ones I love, those who treat the music as a vice and lyrics like a drug, those who need advice on how to lift their spirit high enough to break out of the box they make of lives they know aren't good enough. Just because it's how it is don't mean it's how it has to be. This is what the uninspired testifiers fail to see. Jealousy results from being that which others fail to be, and if it means you're not with me, that honestly sounds fair to me.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
Do this for my mother, she'll be working for the summer. Do this for my father, cause these days I often wonder what my life would have been like if I was not adopted. To grow up in a home where I was treated like a problem, I don't know, it's just a guess. Your guess probably good as mine. Lucky that I grew up in a home that wanted me to shine. Lucky that I grew up around some mountains we were taught to climb. Without that inspiration, I don't think that this would be my life. Do this for my friends who've scattered all across the country now. I'm out in Sweden walking back through life so I can write it down. Make a living off of sound, so crazy to say out loud. I'm the biggest thing since Travis Rice to come up out the town. Sorry, gotta stunt a little. Used to have my dreams belittled, but it's all a part of it. I know people's minds are fickle, lines between reality and dreams I blur like faded nights. Come up been so good for me, I wish that I could make it twice.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
Welcome to Marantz Rantz, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Marantz Rantz. A lot of knowledge, but but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Kenny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC or Superposition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. 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 Welcome to Marantz Rantz.
All right. Good morning. Good morning, my people. Good morning, my friends. Good morning, my families. Good morning to everybody, guys. I appreciate you. Welcome back. Welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. I know I've been MIA, but I've been very busy with life, with the stock, with the market. And, you know, we're hitting an algo. We're out there and we're getting out the information we need to hit. But shout out to a couple of people. First and foremost, I want to give a shout out to Hot this year. Appreciate you, sir, for always keeping me on my feet. Almo, welcome back from Colombia. You did great. And Ruben, of course, the realest one. Linda Real as well, always helping out. And then everyone else in the Discord. Guys, the Discord is pinned to the top of the chat on the live chat. If you need to see that, it's there. It should be in the description of the video. I don't know for sure. But the Discord is always free, and it always will be. We'll never charge you for a dime. I've been pushing out my TikTok game, just doing my best to get the channel out, the information out to individuals who need it. And why do you need it? Because there are some pump and dump schemes out here that they're putting onto you, and they're using all the tactics right now. It's on full-blown display. We're going to break down each one that we can. Of course, we're going to look at the quality investments we can make on this market. But right now, I'll break down what I can. So let's go to the charts. Let's go to the fun. I will get to the chat. I will have time today. This will be a shorter live stream. It's not going to be nearly as long as some of you guys like, and I apologize in advance only because, well, a guy like me's got to grind. I got to go to work, guys, but I'm around. And as you guys know, I've been digging up some content, doing some stuff, putting out videos left and right. I did a long interview with Mike the other day, and I finally posted it this morning, clipped it up for you guys in case you guys weren't there. I think only Raider Bo was there. I don't know who else was there that day. But shout out to Mike for giving, using his platform for the greater good now, rather than just pumping up the stock that's terrible, which would be AMC. You guys know we go down alphabetically first. So the alphabetic, it starts with an A. So we're actually going to look at AMC as we see the chart here today. This is a rocket, right? This is what they want you to grow accustomed to, i.e. this is so amazing. It touched $4 and it comes back down. I've had to watch the most failed YouTubers in the world and or TikTok guys, misinformation guys who actually believe the thesis that's been pushed out on Reddit and or Twitter or YouTube. I don't understand how these guys misrepresent this stock or misread this investment. It was easy from the minute you saw it. I don't have to be this prophet. I'm not that. I'm telling you, this is a easy chart to read. This was a straight pump and dump. And right now, you're growing accustomed to seeing this. And if I put it on a weekly chart, just to give an example, this is the January pump that everybody saw happen in real time. I called it a pump and dump. Well before that, I'm saying this is how it's going to play out. When it pumped, I couldn't believe how many billions of dollars they put into this damn thing. But the psyops was out. They put it out there for you. They used the whole world against you. And they got everyone to go in, and you go and look at the thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people that are bag holders of this stock now. And this is what was deployed against GameStop. There's a lot of people out there that think this is shorts. This is the fight with shorts and you're losing. No, we're never winning. Shorts won here at the top. They won here in the middle. They won here at the bottom. And then down here in the graveyards of what this is, this leg down here, this gap, well, you think you're going to fill the gap? I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know how you think you're going to get your money back. But Adam Aaron already announced he's doing a reverse stock split. Happens in about 6 to 7 days from now. And this stock that is all the way down here, they would like you to think that that's the new peak at $4. I'm sorry, guys. It's never going to happen. What you think is going to happen to this stock is never going to happen. What you know is going to happen to the stock is happening. And what do you know? You know for a fact, the facts are dilution, and they're going to offer up more after the fact. It's like a drug dealer giving you just a taste. And 25% of these, 25 million shares being sold off after the conversion goes through, it tells you one thing. Someone on the bond side is directing Adam Aaron to sell off 25 million shares. He just doesn't pick that number out of thin air. It's someone wants to buy 25 million shares for pennies, and they're going to get them for pennies. Because if you looked at what Antera did, Antera told them to do what, guys? Go ahead and make a billion ape. Take take this 10 million preferred equity units and convert them to a billion ape. He took 10 million shares of preferred equity units, made a billion ape, and he already had a buyer for half of it. And that was Antura and his other hedge fund buddies. So they already had the buyer before the dilution was announced. That's what's coming your way. Bondholders are going to buy the 25 million. But here's the kicker. They don't pay the price you pay. They don't pay the market price. No, they wait till they short it all the way down to buy it back in. Adam Aron knows exactly what's going to happen. And realizing profits and or making a short squeeze out of it because dilution comes doesn't mean it's a good thing. People have to remember, you don't trade in a good time for a good thing. Remember this. And a good time might be the short squeeze. It might be a night out with the fellas, but you're not trading out that night for your wife. It doesn't work that way. And in this case, your wife is your wealth. And you're going to trade it all in to see a spike in the stock, and then it comes crashing right back down. I'm telling you, I warn you, I'm not the Grim Reaper. I'm not walking around. I don't control this damn stock, guys. Apparently, people out there think I control the stock. The information I put out, the factual information I put out controls this stock. That is not the case. I'm telling you because I know the playbook. I read it. I study it. When you guys are sitting there watching TikToks, playing video games, watching Netflix, hanging out with girls, chasing guys, I don't care what you're doing. I'm studying. I'm reading. I'm looking back at history. I want to know why. Why did Electronic Boutique partner up with GameStop? Why did GameStop get overextended on buildings? Yes. Why did AMC buy so many movie theaters? You know, I was pleased to know that GameStop had been in the S&P 500 before. Like, think about it. Like, I was going crazy. It was announced they were going to go and all this stuff. I have all this history behind it. Now I'm just saying to myself, like, what's the next move? What's the next move? Why was this a setup? I'll get there. I'll get where I want to get. There's not enough time in the day for me to do all the homework I do. I promise you, I'm dead tired. I was exhausted. I had migraine headaches yesterday at work to the point where tears wanted to come down. I am physically spent right now, and I'm posting video after video after video, info after info. And I know you guys are going to tell me the same thing. Marantz, no. You can't do this. You got to rest up, man. We'll still be here. No, you rest up. You close your eyes. You go to bed. I can't sleep. I can't sleep with this shit going on. And everybody, the same messages in every video. Marantz, why do you care? Why are you doing this? Nobody does this for free. You should have seen the TikTok guy I went to battle with yesterday. I went into a TikTok live yesterday, and some guy was out pushing his bullshit. And I said, what? They were in a room full of people with tablets making all this noise while he's right there talking on the live. Yeah, guys, just go and check out my main screen. Check out this, and you're going to get this program, and you can get this indicator, and I'll sell it to you, and this. And I'm just like, what? Like, what is all that noise in the background? What, are they on phone calls? Like, I couldn't understand it. It's all fake. There's so many con men out here with misinformation. You guys don't believe me? Watch this shit. This is crazy. They're either misinformation and or just ignorance. I mean, which one are we going to give them? I'm going to play this for you. All right. Guys, this is how deep it is for me, and maybe not you. I got to go here. I already had it right there. So, okay. Thank you. Thank you for catching on. All right. So this individual here is named Free Game John. Free Game John, and he has no followers, guys. No followers, nothing. This guy has 51 subscribers. 51 subscribers. He's on TikTok too. He has like 5,000 there. Not even that, maybe 2,000. Listen to this, okay? 51 subscribers. We all start there, John. I get it. I started there. I started at 1. I know. But I want you guys to hear this. This is unbelievable. That this is the way people think. The information that people are getting. Listen.
I was asked to make a video explaining the whole Fidelity tweet back in 2022, and it's simply that's how the 8 preferred shares were structured when they were issued by CEO Adam Aron. That's really all it is. It was structured that way. If you were short one share of APE, you're actually short one share of AMC. That's really not hard to explain. The bottom line to it is the reason why you're seeing so much pushback when it comes to this APE conversion is because AMC was already being shorted to oblivion. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We're simply having a conversation. Now, there's been rumored to be that there are what they call billions of synthetics. Matter of fact, so you can better understand what I'm talking about, pause and read. So you simply need to understand what a naked short is and how does it work. Now, once you understand that, there's rumored to be billions of those things lingering out there. Like I said, this is rumored. We don't. Now, one thing that it is true about, the fails to deliver. The fails to deliver on AMC are absolutely through the roof. God knows that needs to be taken care of expeditiously.
I'm going to pause it right there for a second. See, the things you guys don't think about, or maybe you guys realize, whatever it may be, this individual that has 51 subscribers has a 4K camera, an LCR mic, the whole boomstick, the displays in the background of the stock, blank gray walls. I look at all of this. You guys don't do this. You don't understand this. This guy catches fire. This guy catches a view on TikTok or here, and it's over. You got more people believing the bullshit he's talking.
Now, you also have the cost to borrow absolutely through the roof.
Posting Ortex data when you know Ortex data does not take into consideration the current announcements of dilution, the conversion of APE, whatever it may be. Everyone's banking on this misinformation, and the data is old, but they'll put it out there as in it's today, it's right now, because that's all they can do. Cal Financial Journey does this all the time. He posts this shit like this, and then you go and you look, you say, "Whoa, wait a minute! They weren't at a 700 million share float; they were at 2 billion. Where was that announcement?" We'll talk about MULN Automotive in a minute. I'm not done with this kid.
You're looking at 1,000%. It's ridiculous at this point. You got 39% shares on loan. AMC is still on the threshold list. We're coming up on day 37. This thing is literally a ticking time bomb, in my personal opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money or how to look at this play. Like I said, I've been holding for quite some time. I got plenty skin in the game. I'm enjoying my position where I sit, where I stand right now.
That's straight bullshit. You've been in it for quite some time. It's at the all-time low. I mean, what are you talking about? This video was yesterday, guys. Don't think this is like a month-old video.
It's really funny, and is becoming comical and fun at this point. The whole reason why there's so much pushback when it comes to this stock is because if you look at if APE converts over to AMC, if AMC reverse splits, and all this new equity is created by them simply diluting the stock, and they're being able to pay off this massive amount of debt they have, and also have cash sitting on the table for years to come. This pushed the company fundamentally in a beautiful situation. So it takes the short thesis from these guys shorting the stock for 3 years. It makes them look incompetent. And
this is crazy. Anybody who can read a balance sheet, anybody who knows how to do simple math, I'm talking about fingers and toes, knows that this is not a possibility. But this is the narrative that they push. This is why I wake up every day. This is why I'm going crazy, guys. You know why I made a YouTube channel? Because Trey Trades and Matthew Kors were pumping AMC. It's a great investment. And I had read a balance sheet and I said, oh, hell no. That's why I made a YouTube channel. Thank you, Trey and Matt. for fucking it up. And this is why I keep my YouTube channel going, because of guys like this. Oh, he's a no-name. Trust me, this guy's got nothing. I bet you this kid pops off and starts getting thousands and thousands and he's going to be the next Data Zero bragging about their viewers, bragging about their subs. I got to hear about it every fucking day. You don't remember the Marine? Oh, Marantz is mad because his channel's dead and I have more. Do you, Marine? Do you see it now? Because you don't now. Master Lord, they're all the same way. They do shit for clicks and views. But misinformation, blatant misinformation? This guy's never read the balance sheet a day in his life. He's never read a 10K a day in his life.
And unfortunately, short sellers, we're dealing with institutional short sellers. I won't mention any names. And
you won't mention any names because you don't know the names. Do you know who the bondholders are? Do you know the 3 banks that went ahead and suspended covenants? Do you know the board of directors? You know how I know they're shills? When they go, CEO Adam. When they say that, he said this already, CEO Adam. They use that phrasing. Who the hell says, oh, CEO Adam? Nobody says that. Nobody but the shills. Go listen to them. Guys, they always say, oh, yeah, well, because CEO Adam. I'm like, what the fuck? Do we ever say CEO Ryan? No, they have names. Real names.
They don't like being outsmarted by dumb money. So the bottom line to it is they don't want to be looked at as incompetent, like they don't know what they're doing. They're not financially literate. So
they're not financially literate. You are if you're buying into AMC. Don't worry, I know what you're doing. Go ahead, free game John. Put me on some free game. Put me up on game.
This is why you're seeing so much pushback. You're seeing counter lawsuit after counter. As a matter of fact, it's just a new lawsuit was presented today. You can take a look, and it's utterly ridiculous at this point. If AMC is able to raise this capital, which they're trying to do from diluting their stock, which they have every right to do, if they raise this capital, it literally makes them debt free.
Why don't they understand that if they dilute this stock, it literally makes you and your investment worthless? If you like AMC, if you agree with it, why are you buying it? I'm being honest with you right now. If you know they're going to sell and dilute, why buy it now? It's the equivalent of going to the store and saying, you know what? Fuck, I want to buy that full price. I know it's on sale next week. I know we're having a Black Friday sale. I know it's going to be $1,000 off, but no. I want it for full price. Yep, because I support this company and that what it is. Or are you going to buy it for the less price? I don't know what you kids are doing. You just said they're going to dilute this stock because they have the right to. Do they? Do they have the right? Who voted for that? Who voted for ape?
And not only can they continue to pay their bills and stay open and be profitable as a business, and also going forward, it'll make the stock go up because you have great earnings coming up. You have the movie Barbie, Oppenheimer, so many new titles, Blue Beetle getting ready to come up. So there's a whole bunch of new titles that they didn't.
Name me one. Name me one. Because Black Adam didn't do it, Avatar 2 didn't do it, and I was told it would. Wakanda Forever Part 2, nope, didn't do it. Creed 3 didn't do it. Gran Turismo's coming out, is that going to do it? Comes out in 2 weeks. What else is coming out other than Barbie? Your company is being run off of one movie, off of a couple of movie titles. Could you imagine a radio station trying to become profitable based off of some songs that play on the radio? The songs don't matter. They're going to play anyway at another radio station or on a TV somewhere or on a download in Apple Music somewhere. It's still going to play. The movies are still going to play elsewhere. But this radio station, this movie theater is not going to be open.
Even get to report on earnings that are due for earnings in the near future, and it just doesn't look good for a short thesis, in my opinion. So the bottom line to it is,
it doesn't look good for a short thesis. That's why everybody's shorting it. It's the number one shorted. So what are they shorting it out of fear? They're so nervous. They're so scared.
Just continue to pay attention. I got more content coming for you on the way.
About another interesting opportunity that you're eyeing, AMC debt around the writer's strike. What's the plan here?
So I mean, AMC, great company, and I've tried to get into see Barbie and Oppenheimer twice, and I've been turned away at the door. And so,
what? Can't get in?
Well, I have very little time. I'm working so hard. So I mean, a couple times I can go, like sold out. So I will go before the summer's over. It's a promise. But let's talk about AMC. So AMC, the apes converging with the equity, and then subsequently doing a 10-for-1 reverse split, and that conversion allows management to issue up to $8 billion of equities. Now, we don't think they're going to tap
up to $8 billion of equities. At what price? What, you just picking a price now? Is that it? Are we not all? You can't get $8 billion. What kind of math is this? This guy is the CEO of Marathon Asset Management, telling you the math that they're going to make. I would never want this guy to manage my money unless he's the shorter and he's out here pumping bullshit like we all know they do. Don't worry, Bill Ackman did this too. Bill Ackman said, oh my God, we're going to be so great. And then boom, he shorted the whole damn stock market, making billions during the pandemic. Don't even get me started with this shit. Dude's on TV, and this is who you want to do. This is what we want to do now.
The equity market for $8 billion. We think there's no shot, but they will tap it for $1 billion to $2 billion.
Yeah.
So the position
$1 billion to $2 billion. That's what they're going to tap it for. They had $2 billion. They didn't pay anything. Now $1 billion to $2 billion. Oh, we're just talking cash burn at this point. We're going to survive another year and another year.
that we have, it's a $2 billion issue. There's senior bank loans that we bought in the 60s. Doesn't trade in the 60s or the 70s anymore. It's about 80. But you can buy that at 80. We think it's worth par. You can buy it at 80. It's an 8.5% coupon. So you get better than a 10% current yield. It's about 10.5% current yield. And we think it has a 25% price pop because it'll mature at par. And with the equity coming in now, we think $1 billion to $2 billion more equity, the capital structure is stronger, and people coming back to the theater.
Wow. Do you know what he's saying? I know you don't have a goddamn clue, free game, John, whatever the hell your name is. He just said buy the bonds, bro, not the stock. You've got to be kidding me. At a discount, at a 20% discount, par value is 1 penny. That means he's going to get it for less than. Tell me you understand this, or tell me you don't understand finance, what he's saying. He's not bullish. He's not bullish on AMC stock, young man. Holy shit.
So I wouldn't worry about the writer's strike. That will be settled in the next 30 to 60 days. And the box offices look like record numbers to us and greater than pre-COVID numbers in terms of revenue. So we're super bullish. But think about that. We can make a 17% return, 10% on the cash, and a 25% price pop on price, and we can make this return. We think it's a high teens return, an equity-like return for taking senior bank debt risk in the very top of the capital structure of AMC. So we think the smartest play for AMC is actually buying the bank debt, which is going to par, which offers these staggering returns for the unit of risk that you're taking.
All right.
Wow. Tell me you don't understand financial markets without telling me. Free game, John. You posted this video. He is not bullish on buying AMC stock. He wants to buy the debt. You're an idiot. And do you know why? It's not about buying the debt per se, as in they get paid back on the debt. It has nothing to do with that. It's because the shareholder deficit of $2.5 billion, the actual balance sheet of AMC is upside down. You've got to know. Oh my God, man. I can't even teach you. I can't teach you, bro. You're making videos. Oh my God. I'm not going to teach you either. You need to live and learn. Live and learn. As my man would tell me, my man, that's how we would do it. Sometimes Marantz, you just got to let them burn. Yeah, I know. Let them burn down. I'm not even getting involved right now. This is just too fucking crazy for me. I can't believe it. You know what, guys? That's a real reaction. I didn't watch that video. I queued that video up. I had never seen it. And I just saw the ending of it, and I was blown away. Oh, my God. They think they know the market after 2 years. Marantz has saved thousands of people because they woke up and and exited AMC or didn't buy into AMC? Absolutely. Who are we fighting with right now? Is there an idiot in the chat? I mean, we'll go through the chat in a minute. Shout out to Ruben. I see Ruben giving out free memberships to the crowd. Guys, you get 5 of them there. There you go. If you didn't get one, well, I'm sorry for that. But yeah, are you kidding? Holy shit, man. I'm blown away. Blown away. Monty's going to tell me, let him burn, Marantz. Let him burn. I might DM this kid and just be like, hey, man, you really need to watch this. You need to watch it. Yes, he does need to watch it. This is crazy, Free Game John. You have no idea what you're talking about, bro. No idea. He is not, just so we're clear, they are not bullish on AMC stock. Oh, what a misleading title this shit is. How the hell did I even get here? Oh, man, I'm sweating, bro. I'm sweating. I thought this was going to be a quick show. I was just going to get out of here. Oh, my God. Excuse me. Let me read the chat, and then we'll go to the next topic. We're going to go to Bed Bath & Beyond these nuts. But let me get, I don't need that. I'm good here. Okay, I got the chart up. We're good. Okay, I have this. Oh, my God. All right, so let's go through it. Let me go through the chat really quick. Well, this kid just upset me, man. Man, am I triggered? Yeah, I'm triggered by misinformation. This is why I have a channel. This is why I exist. The link for the Discord isn't working. I re-pinned it. I got you a new link, and so there you go. Are they actors? I guess so. Lemon's back. Lemon wants to say GameStop at $18.50. I know, Lemon. You know I only own 5 shares. So I bought 4 more today. So where's that put me? I did okay on that. I actually got like 4.5, actually. If you guys don't see the half. I posted the 4 I got, but I got the half because it actually put me over for another one. It's technically like 5 shares. That was awesome. I'm loving life, man. I have 10 shares now, bros. Don't even get me started. Meme stock Civil War, GameStop versus AMC. I guess if you want to do it that way, you're going to lose. Doesn't matter. Kunta's here again. Absolutely. Retail versus Magna Carta. Actors. Yeah, tell me about that. That's how bad it is. I want to stand outside an AMC and hand out clown shoes to every ape. Oh, God. There's a current info war on GameStop versus Bed Bath & Beyond. No shit. AMC people are essentially stopped comparing AMC and GME. They have to. Best they got used to say now is GME runs, AMC runs. Yeah. Bed Bath & Beyond idiots are actually causing damage in the GME community and surprisingly are being successful actually following GameStop people. Yeah, I saw it, and you know what? Let them, dude. Those guys will be done. They're going to be done in a week or two, or by the 12th, hopefully. These guys will string it out to November. They got to keep their grift up. You know, they got to keep the views up, the whole hopium, and for whatever reason. But they'll all vanish. They'll all vanish one day. You know that. I've seen people come and go. Come and go. Anybody know where Rocky and Jamie are? These idiots. Oh, GME community, surprisingly, there you go. Bed Bath & Beyond will end soon. Yes, it will. This is a war between publicly traded companies and private equity. AMC sold out to private equity. They never were public, bro. They were private the whole way through. Remember that. Even when they went public. Keep it going, Marantz. Thank you on site. I'll try. Trey and Matt are lovers. Gross, bro. All I think about hairy, ugly dudes. Ugh. Trigger word, Marantz. He's reading a script. Yep. Look at his eyes, guys. Yeah. Go off on Tony Tenero. Yeah, Tony Tenero. Yeah, I know. Hustler, there's no need to go off on him. I already made numerous videos calling out this shill. But there you go. He keeps going to his lower right looking. Yeah, I guess. Is there a reason why you ignored the fact that you got into a private equity ratio wrong for GameStop GME economics video? It has a negative ratio of 29.3. RF, I know you're a stickler on numbers, but maybe you didn't understand what I was talking about. And you mean profit to income ratio, right? I was talking about sales. When it's under revenue on the balance sheet, but sales. Yes, they have $6 billion worth of sales. That's what I was doing for your ratio. But keep going with that. You're going to be all right, RF. You probably lost money on AMC and Bed Bath & Beyond and anything else. I mean, did you pay too much for the call girl last night? She show up and looking like I don't know. Well, Sue Gove is kind of cute. Yeah, for you. But you're back. Thank you. Sharp as Gremlin. Thank you. We know nothing. Spend more time pumping GameStop. Taylor, I don't have to. GameStop's great. I love it low. I'm sorry to break this to you guys, but I have money in my bank account. I have cash, right? So when the shit is low and I have money, I told Almo last night, because see, October, guys, when October gets here, it's going to be a lot higher, right? Because earnings is coming, whatever. But when I told Almo, I said, man, I got some money coming my way. You know, every 6 months I have money coming my way. And I get to do what I want with my money, obviously. And I was like, yo, I'm about to do this. Like, I'm really excited for it, man. So they better hope this price isn't at $17 or something. RF, where you been at, man? How come you've been showing up when Marantz talks about AMC? Oh, how could he? How could he? My AMC calls are printing. I'll switch to puts when it hits 4. There you go. I swear certain individuals show up based off the main topic Marantz is talking about. Correct. They paid this guy to help reclaim shares. Not going to happen. Oh, yeah. Don't sell, bro. Hey, Taylor, don't sell. I don't want any of you cats to sell. I want you guys to hang on forever. Selling at 67 2 years ago was my best move. Thank you, hustler. Made it all. I made 100K on AMC. Good job. Reclaim shares? Really, dude? Yeah. I show up when I show up. Marantz has only been talking about AMC and MULN the last month. So because that's nothing good to speak about anymore about GameStop, he's deflecting. Yep, I'm deflecting. Don't do it, guys. Come get me. Stop me. Hey, bro, I'm deflecting. The people, look at this, like KYP, right? KYP Candy 007 takes the free membership that Ruben puts out, and KYP hates me. Hates me. Oh, I'm not a GameStop supporter. And by the way, AMC, just so we're clear, had earnings, okay? They did a reverse stock split. They did a conversion. They did a share dilution. MULN Automotive did a buyback program, a reverse stock split, a dilution, a proxy. GameStop just had earnings. So the video I did on GameStop was earnings. That's it. It's all the announcement, all the guidance you're going to get. Did the video. There it is. Left that live stream alone. 7,000 people show up, 10,000 people, whatever it is. And now we're back at this shit. Okay? Now we're back at this shit. Can we just keep going? I mean, what else do you want me to do? I'm fighting my best fight here. God damn this kid. Yeah, Marantz only talks about the bad. If AMC is a bad play, why are you wasting your day here? Chris McShaw, I heard you ask the question last week when you were like, Marantz, I love it that you were so direct and you hit me with the hard truth. It's not that I waste my day. Chris McShaw, I educate myself every day I wake up, and I love it. But what good is it for me to keep the information to myself when I can share it with the world? I built a platform. I'm a YouTuber. I know it's hard to understand, Chris McShaw. I actually do this because I want Google to pay me. You may not think that just because I'm not asking you for super chats and I tell you don't do them and I don't sell merchandise. No, I do get paid from Google. I do it. Let them pay me. This is not like a mystery, but I want my information and the DD we do or the community we built. Let that pay, not the people. Let Google come pay me. I don't like Google anyway. Yeah, whatever. Censoring people sometimes. I get my information out. But I have a platform. This is a platform I built. If you don't like it, if you don't want to hang out, sorry, bro. Giving you the best info I can. But I'm absolutely 100% correct on AMC. 100% correct. And you're all wrong. And I remember when I was standing there a year ago to the day. I guarantee it was a year ago to the day. Because this is when Ape got announced. So I'm telling you, a year ago, I was standing there going like this. You're all wrong. Terra Bull, you're wrong. Froggy Stocks, you're wrong. David versus Goliath, you're wrong. Didn't matter. PG, you're wrong. All of them. Tony De Niro, you're wrong. Marcus May, you're wrong. It doesn't matter. They're all wrong. And they have been. Easy win. Easy dub. There's no big news about GameStop, so he isn't allowed to talk about, scam pump and dumps. Exactly. Dude, you're commenting on other videos. Remember, kids, that this guy yells louder is typically the police. No. What do you mean? Yell louder. The kid records on a low volume. That's not my fault. But without a doubt, I'm commenting on the video because he's putting out misinformation. That's what I'm commenting on. What should I do? Well, you know what, guys? I'm going to start taking advice from you guys. From you cats out there that hate the channel, that hate my direction, everything I put out. How'd you show up? I want to go to your channel. Go live. I want to see you talk about a topic for longer than 2 minutes and keep it flowing and keep it going. Ask around. Ask Monty. Ask Tetron Invest. Ask all these guys who start channels, who go out there, put out information, but ask them how hard the live stream is. How hard it is to get out here and rumble. Rumble in the jungle. The bunch of apes. Bunch of weaklings. AMC is great. It's going to 0. There you go. AXBit. Overstock did not hit $45 before it hit 27. Oh. I always know Marantz live because Discord goes dark for a bit. Rick Williams, it happens, bro. I'm sorry. Saw your AMC at 450. Oh, you guys do what you guys want. My question is, why is he's so hell-bent on AMC. Ask yourself why he's not trying to help his investments. What are you talking about, Taylor, bro? Taylor boy, from my very first video 2.5 years ago, I talked about AMC. The very first video. You think I just woke up today and I'm like, I've studied it more than anybody you know. All of them. There's nobody out there. Nobody. Yet every AMC YouTuber gets to talk about other plays and other stocks and other investments. Name me one AMC YouTuber that's been here longer than me that's talked about it only and nothing else. It's not even possible. It's not even possible. I am an AMC YouTuber. When are you going to figure this out? I put out facts about AMC. What the hell are you talking about? You think I'm hell-bent on AMC? No. I like to cover that company, that stock. I study it. Subject matter expert. Rick Williams, yeah, because we have no real people following Marantz, not Autobots. Yeah, we all have real people. Yes, we don't have Autobots here. None of that bullshit. Dude, he's been warning about AMC scam before it ran up in 2021. Called it a pump and dump. A month before it went. 2 weeks before it went. To the day, brah. You guys are ridiculous. We're not even going to get to talk about Bed Bath & Beyond at this point, because I'm just going to keep going on this chat, because this chat looks fun to me. Yeah, anybody with the brain cell could see that AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, and MULN are horrible investments. Yeah, Marantz. Still can't see the flaws in GameStop. No, can't see him, RF. Sorry. I don't see him. Let me be this guy. Hey, is GameStop a penny stock? Is GameStop doing a reverse stock split? Is their balance sheet negative? Do they have a deficit for shareholder equity? You see, all these things look the same, but they're not. That's the point. Jackass. RF, what stock has the highest equity cash position in the market? Like dollars per share, cash per share. Which stock is it? I believe it's GameStop at 23%. Help me out. Every stock at GameStop I buy is 23% cash. No company out there has a higher one. I mean, you can go look for one. I'll wait. Go do that homework. Come back to me. I'll be here. You won't be, though. You won't be. It says here, dude, AMC is going to zero. There we go. Marantz has saved thousands of people. Thank you. People think they know the market after a few years, which they don't. Taylor, are you new? Perhaps go back 2.5 years and watch Marantz's original video when he calls AMC a pump and dump and calls Adam Aaron a snake. Damn it. Oh my God. Hey, when I made that video, do you know how many people hated me, told me get the hell out of here, blocked me, didn't talk to me? Thousands of people. Or so I think, because nobody watched. Everybody hated me. Oh, this guy's a shill. I think you call this shill for 2.5 years. And guess what they do now? Man, I wish I would have saw you earlier. Damn, man, I wish I would have met you 2 years ago. Like everyone else in the chat here that saved thousands of dollars. And I'm not even like exaggerating. I'll never forget the day Pepperwood Salt called me and said, Marantz, you have no idea how much money you saved me. No idea how much money. He binge watched all my videos overnight one night. Traveling. Yeah. You guys heard the interview. You guys know what it is. A lot of you guys. And was I ever scared about the information I'm putting out? Man, I'm wrong. Oh my God, what if I'm wrong? Do you remember that? Terrible. What if you're wrong, Marantz? I'm just like, what are you talking about? I'm not worried about if I'm wrong, because I'm not. Math is math, bros. Line it up, chalk it up. It's math. Okay, so you just got here to bash GameStop and complain that Marantz isn't talking about scams. There we go. Because there's no flaws. Thank you, High Corner. So you don't care about Marantz talks about AMC then? No, you shouldn't care. Why would I complain about that? Retail investors should know what they're getting into, but GameStop isn't a good investment. I don't know, RF. Show me a better one. Show me a better investment with a higher cash position. By the way, MULN Automotive down 10% right now, all the way down to 88 cents. 88 cents, MULN Automotive. What happened? I thought they were good. Flaws equal debt, yeah, which we don't have any. Come onto the Discord and join the voice chat. Come onto the show. Absolutely, guys. Let me tell you something. I'm going to be in the voice chat, okay? Voice chat of the Discord. I'm connected. I'm then going to invite people to the voice chat. I got a little bit of time to hang out with you guys. If you guys want to come talk in the chat, Click that link right there in the live chat. Come on in, and I'll talk to you right now live. And we'll sort all of this out. Any questions you have, any misinformation you might be listening to failed YouTubers and or these guys. Wrong about what? Thank you. Somebody tell them. There's a risk to everything. GameStop has the right management and the right sector to invest in. There you go. His channel. He can't talk about AMC, and he wants any rational person that can see it's a bad investment. That's not my argument. It's the things that GameStop actually has a future. RF, you might be Scott Allen, bro. You might not know what the hell $1 billion of cash is in the bank. You might not know what a billionaire at the helm is. And then you might not understand what gamers are. But I'll let you decide. You're going to be all right. You know why GameStop? What is it that... Hold on. RF, please come into the chat. Please, because I want to explain it to you. I don't want to talk to myself because it's going to look like I'm crazy, but I'm not crazy. But I'm going to give you a history lesson right now. All right, we're going to go do it. We're going to go do it. It's over here. Watch this. See, this is the difference between me and you, bro. Oh, man, I'm about to school the shit out of you. All right. This is a bad investment, GameStop. Let's go on the daily. Yeah, bad investment, right? Let's go to the weekly. And we're going to go way back here. Okay? And we're going to go, come on, like this. So 2019. Do you know what happened in 2019 versus 2018? I want you to see something. You see this right here? What happened here in 2019, the whole year? How it went all the way down and what happened? Do you know what happened? It's a facade. Okay? There was impairment charges on goodwill on GameStop. So they burned off all their goodwill in 2018 and 2019 on their balance sheet. But what was so significant about 2019 in particular, RF? What happened to the balance sheet of GameStop in 2019? This is where you don't know shit, kid. It was an accounting difference on what you show, okay? And I'm talking about the assets versus liabilities. And I'm going to show it to you right now because I'm just that dude, all right? You want to know why you come to the channel? You want to know why you hang out with me? And you know what? And I have it on deck, bro. I have it on deck. You know I do. You know I do. Watch this shit. Man, these kids. If they only knew what I do all damn day. You think I just sit here? Is that it? Nerd. Who's the nerd? All right, pay attention. Should I make it bigger for you so you can see what I'm about to show you? All right. So on the balance sheet, just so we're clear, there's a line here. I'm going to find it right now. Well, first off, impairment charges. Do you see them? 900 million charges. This is why GameStop was upside down. This is why the stock came crashing down, because they used to make a profit in 2017. They used to make a profit in 2016, but they were meant to get pushed down and gutted and just torn up because impairment charges. The stock price came down. The stock price wasn't holding the valuation of what it was. And why was that? There's this new charge that shows up on the balance sheet. I got to go find it, man. It made me go all the way up here. This new charge, okay? New thing that's going to balance you out. I'm going to find it right now. And it's going to all make sense, and it'll show the whole chart over. I wonder if it's on this page. We'll get there. We'll find it. In 2019, the way you report on a balance sheet changed. All right? Some people don't know this, but I'm going to find it for you, and it's all going to make sense in a minute. Once I find this damn... I went to the 10K, so it's going to be long. It's going to be hard to find, but I'll find it. Because I got nothing but time, bro. Come on. You guys know that I have this open because I was reading it, right? Like I read it all day. There we go. Okay, so the difference is not assets held for sale. It's right about not goodwill. We saw the goodwill. See the $1 billion in goodwill burned off? You see that? That's what happened to the balance sheet. That's why total assets went down. It's right here. It's going to be, oh man, not long-term debt. No. Is it here? Oh, interest is now right here. No, that's goodwill impairments again. Hold on, guys. I promise you I'm going to find it. It's about the leases. It's your leasing. You had to show leases on the balance sheet for the first time in 2019. And your rental leases had to go and it was going to go into the negative $700 million. Is it right here? No, that's cash flow. It's 700 million of what I remember. And I'm going to find it. Maybe I'm too far back. What year am I in? 2018? Oh, 2019 I said, right? That's why I couldn't find it. Hello. Is this 2019? This might be 2019 right here. We'll tell you. We'll see. You see how I wasn't there on 2018? I'm all looking for it, bro. RF, don't worry. I'm going to educate you. Because, you know, I'm that guy. We're going to get there. Like, man, Marantz, don't beat him up too much. Nah, you know, you got to teach kids like this. Remember, goodwill impairment charge of 363. What was GameStop down? 399 in 2019. So they would have been down about $30 million, 20-something million dollars. That's about all they would have been down. But instead, they were down even more because of goodwill impairment charges. I just want to put that out there. It wasn't the business. It wasn't that the business was down. It's the goodwill impairment charges. Oh, no, GameStop's bankrupt company. It's so terrible. Is it? Is it terrible? Or are they pivoting right now? Oh, here we go. Here's my baby. Operating lease rights use of assets, okay? Right here. You see this 767? This doesn't exist. It doesn't exist on the balance sheet. When you go through, I'm going to show it to you right here. Where's the cash flow? Is it on the next one? It's got to be here. Right here. Okay, so accrued liabilities. I want you to understand something. Now that it's an accounting difference, 2018 to 2019, you now have to show the leases on your balance sheet. And what happens is the changes in operating assets and liabilities, it actually jumps down 792 million. Remember, you didn't have to show it in 2018 or 2017. There was a profit, there was a negative. But to go down $800 million because the accounts payable and acquired lease liabilities. And the acquired liabilities was the lease agreement that I just showed you. 792 is exactly what it was. Why it goes down. So 700 something million dollars is the new thing you have to show on your balance sheet, which you didn't have to show before. Okay. And when you didn't have to show it before, it's here. Now, operating lease rights, rights of use assets. That did not happen in 2018 or any other time. 2019, it was an accounting difference. So when you look at the assets go from 4 billion to 2.8 billion. I'm trying to tell you why. But what do I know? What do I know? Just a big cash burn? Is that what it is? Is it just that GameStop's a terrible company? Go do your homework on what it is first before you come in here and understand why the timeline doesn't line up with what people tell you. People tell you the company's going bankrupt. It's not. The rights of use assets liabilities chart, that line right there did not exist in 2018, 17, only in 19. And now they have to battle against that number. It actually shows up on the board, on the books itself. But there's more to it than just that. But you know what, man? What's the point of arguing with you? You tell me that I don't talk about GameStop every day, or that I should talk about GameStop, what, that it's a great discount right now? You go look at the balance sheet, you go see what the announcements are for this company, and you'll see everything you see right here on the pump that was whatever they were dumping down. But why are they doing it? Private equity's been in GameStop since 2005. So from 2005 all the way through. Did you know that? Federated, all that nonsense. Remember the stuff that we talked about in Connecting the Dots? Those same people were in GameStop in 2005 all the way through to 2019, 20, when Ryan got there. That's what they pushed out. They pushed out private equity that had been set up. You want to talk about billions of dollars swinging and pushing? The only difference on GameStop is they halted it and they didn't allow it to implode. But when you look at what AMC is, they deployed that onto you. There's a big difference. Huge difference. You don't think I talk about GameStop enough? This fucking clown. You know what, dude? Watch this, bro. I can't even do this justice. Look, I want to show you something, bro. Okay? I want to show you something. You don't think that I talk about GameStop enough or doing enough about GameStop, right? You know what you just said? Something like that? Watch this shit. I swear to you. Why is it not showing? We'll do it this way. I think this one will show it. Hey, okay, I want you to count. Count with me, okay? We're going to do this. This is about GameStop. This is Electronics Boutique, and I was talking about it when they bought them out, but I was doing some homework. So let's go look at what Marantz talks and does homework on GameStop. There's one page. There's two. This is GameStop, some SEC filing that I was reading, proxy materials, definitive proxy materials for GameStop. Let's see, was I reading about it? Was I going through it? Yeah, this is because a share of Holdco, Class A stock. I wanted to know what the hell was going on, who's buying Electronics Boutique in the merger. So maybe I was reading it out because it's GSC Holdings Corp. Maybe you know who they are. Maybe you saw them in the Caesars Palace deal and every other private equity deal. Maybe you know exactly what I'm talking about, but I'll keep doing the homework. Who is James Kim? Oh, I know. Kim bought out GameStop in a deal valued for $1.4 billion back in 2005. And why am I paying attention to Kim? I'll let you know later because, you don't do the homework that I'm doing. Let's see. What is this one? GameStop senior management reorganization in 2008 and why there's a new COO that joined the company and his name was Richard Fontaine. And then you had the next guy that I'll be David Carlson's there. He's going to be leaving. These guys were at GameStop. Remember, I just opened up a window. Let's see. Every single filing of GameStop Corp is on there. Marantz, you don't study GameStop. You don't even talk about GameStop. Okay, I have both of them here. These are the 10Ks from 2019 and 2020. No. Let's see. GameStop here. This one's going to be GameStop CFO plans retirement. New executives in. Right there. Why are we talking about GameStop? Who studies GameStop? He never talks about it, guys. He doesn't even care about it. He doesn't want to talk about it. GameStop appoints a new CFO. Oh, Daniel, how you doing? You're the new CFO. Why would I be looking up what happened in 2009 and 10? I don't know. Let's go to the next one. GameStop replaces CFO with home builder veteran. When did that happen? Because home builder veteran Kathy Smith, who used to be of Centrex, Pulte Homes. Oh, wait a minute. You mean Bill Pulte's former CFO went over to GameStop and you don't think Bill Pulte knows? You think he knows? You don't think he's part of this grift? This grift against it? Now I know why he says, oh yeah, Bet Bath & Beyond's so great. Once broke, GameStop moves to the S&P 500. Isn't that awesome to know in 2007, S&P 500? I know, it's crazy, man. How about this guy who's telling me that he hates it? I was reading message boards. These are old message boards from 2011, and I'm reading about who he hates at GameStop and why. And I'm reading every single article, every single reply. I read everything about GameStop. That's my investment. My whole damn world is in GameStop. I wake up every day. In 2005, they appointed Steve R. Morgan, the new president of GameStop. Where did Steve R. Morgan come from? Smart guy. Federated Department Stores, Macy's, May department stores. Now do you know why? Now do you know why I care? Because private equity was here. There we go. GameStop president. He resigned. Let's talk about that. How could he be in business? He's only there for 3 years. Sounds like private equity to me. All the way in. Former Electronics Boutique president to head the newly merged GameStop. Oh, wow, really? I know, but Marantz, you just have all these windows open? You just talk about it daily? Oh, here's the definitive merger agreement with Electronic Boutique? No way. Co-founder and board member Richard, here we go, announces his retirement. Why would Marantz be looking at that? Why would we be looking at Wikipedia GameStop? I don't know, maybe we're reading. Another SEC filing. What are we doing here about the news for GS Holding Corp and how they own GameStop in their S4 and what they're announcing? I don't know why we're looking that up. Did we get it yet? How about this guy? Board of Advisor, Christopher Hines. Why am I looking up him? Why do I care where he's at and what he does? I wonder what he does. I don't even know. I wonder why. Michael Burry? What did he say? Who is Michael Burry and why is he lowering his stake in GameStop? More SEC filings. More SEC filings. This is a good one too for a proxy or 8K when somebody got announced at the departure of these people. Oh, when Kathy Smith actually left in 2009. Pulte Homes, Kathy Smith. Another GameStop when they gave 3 people on the board of directors. And you know I care about Bill Simon so much. Why? Because he was with KKR, senior advisor at KKR. I don't know. Who does the homework on GameStop though, bro? What are you talking about? Marantz never talks about GameStop. Maybe because he's studying every goddamn day about GameStop. While you're sitting here fucking writing messages in the chat. You guys are weak. Weak. You put your money in your investments, RF. You put your money in your investments and you don't pay attention to them. You don't even know the history of them. You don't know the board of directors. You don't know shit, kid. All you want to do is put money in and see it go up. All right. Really quick, before I go read the rest of this chat, just want to put out there, GameStop's a hell of a buy right now. Best company you can buy. Bar none. Don't even get me started. You see all this bullshit pushing it down on no volume? I'll still be here. I'll still be here next week and the week after. Trust me. I'm going to buy more, and I keep buying more. Don't care. The whole market's down. When Costco's down, the whole market's down. Carvana, back to $30-something. Yeah, it pumped up to 57, touched some 60. But you know what, guys? If people only knew what it really used to be. Do you see that? When in doubt, zoom out. It's a bullshit-ass company in stock, and they're going to go bankrupt. They have over $6 billion in debt, down from $8 billion, but $6 billion in debt because they restructured. They're still going bankrupt. Owned 90% of the bonds are owned by Apollo. Don't touch this shit. Oh, did I tell you about Bed Bath & Beyond? Did I tell you that it was going bankrupt? Did I tell you not to touch this shit? I hope you guys listened to me. Or did you? 18 cents. PP Seeds. I don't even know how he's alive. Right here. AMC. Terrible. Terrible. MULN Automotive. Why do you talk about MULN Automotive, Marantz? But before I do, Tupperware. Didn't I tell you when I made my video that was a pump and dump? Look at this. You can't even make this shit up. All the way up to $6, back down to $2. Pump and dump. Playboy. Don't touch it. Yeah. GMEDD.com's telling you to buy this shit. Why would I ever, Rod Altsman? Why would I ever buy your bags? Why am I buying your bags, bro? The shit is this? $1.38, $1.34 today. Yeah, it's upsetting. Told the whole world yellow's going bankrupt. Oh, you were right, Marantz. I know. I told him, and guess what happened? It pumps up here to $5. You don't know shit. Oh, yeah? Where's it back down to? 90 cents. I hope you're a day trader. I hope you guys get in and out like you're Wilt Chamberlain. Shit's not going to happen. These dudes invest like they're Magic Johnson. Yeah, let me know what you caught there. Next. MULN. Criminals. 87 cents. 87 cents. Unbelievable, right? Look at this shit. And why? David Mitchell announces he bought back shares himself. What did he buy back shares? A couple of thousand shares? 100,000 shares? They're 90 cents a piece, bro. He bought back shares, and then what did he do? He bought it back with your money, first of all. All right, he cashed out on you guys, made $40 million this past year. What are you doing? He bought $100,000 worth of shares. He bought a penny. He bought back some pennies. He didn't buy any real position here. That stock doesn't move. Non-compliant with the NASDAQ, will be delisted. They applied for an extension. I wonder why. I'm not wrong about any of this shit. Why do I talk about all the failed companies you claim that you can see, that you saw? Yeah? Show me your profits. Show me where you're green. I know I'm green on my investments. Show me you're green. But I have GameStop, kid. And it's untouchable. It's unbeatable. Let's go look at AMC, the rocket, while I talk about this chat and I read it. These guys. You don't talk about GameStop, Marantz. Yeah. When it's time to talk, guess what? I have all the info. I have it all. It's tucked away in a safe spot for me. You don't deserve it. You don't even invest in it. You talk shit on it. Remember that. All the guys, let me tell you something. I've been doing this so long, guys. I remember all the dudes who talk shit when I was sitting there cleaning floors. When you can't get promoted, you can't buy shit. I had dudes talking about, oh, you don't have enough money for that. Oh, you drive a bucket-ass car. Oh, you walk to work. I remember you ride the bus. I remember all that shit. I remember girls who would tell you, oh, no, I got him and he's got money. But okay, all them people don't matter. None of it matters. I grind with my queen, and guess what? I remember all you bitches talking crap about GameStop. I hear it every day. I get text messages in my phone every day about how GameStop, what happened to GameStop? Where's it at today? It's at a discount. I bought more. And I'll keep buying more. Let the haters hate. I remember when I used to have 100 viewers, 100 followers, 100 subscribers, whatever it was. Some kids will wake up. We'll figure it out. RF, you're going to be the guy wishing you never talked shit to me. Go ask AMC. All of them. All of them. You ever done that before, guys? You guys ever gone to one of the videos and you just go like this, Marantz Rantz, right? You type it in and go to safe space. Type that in, Marantz Rantz safe space. And you're going to get an AMC safe space. You're going to get a whole, look at that, I'm bringing it up right now. There ain't anything going to be, I don't even know. Now watch this. The floor is yours. You get to say whatever you want. I've invited Adam Aaron to the call. And you know what? He keeps dodging me. You know, he doesn't dodge trades. He doesn't dodge anybody else out there that can give him a view. But I'm here for him. I'm ready for everything. Go for it.
What's up, Marantz?
My patience. That's what's up. My patience.
Yeah, my $1 million position in AMC is up. I'm up about 30% right now.
Congratulations.
And I'm going to dump it this week. I'm going to dump it Friday.
There you go. You're going to wait till Friday to dump it, huh?
Yeah, I'm going to dump it Friday.
Okay.
I can't get a straight answer out of Adam Aaron. I've tweeted probably, 20, 30 times asking him if he'll go on the record that he won't sell those any more ape, and he won't do it. And as a shareholder, I know the minute he announces it, my shares are going to be worth probably 30-40% less. I'll be in the red at that point.
That is absolutely correct. And if you're up 300 grand, 200 grand in your position right now, I just want to remind you there's a great investment called GameStop, and it's at great value right now. And I try to tell everybody, this is me telling him, take your profits at 24.81 right before the conversion of the split. This whole live stream, I did this whole thing, and
AMC and we.
And he's a good guy for it. But watch this.
20% of the actual floats on the.
So what you're saying is there's no price discovery for AMC. That's why the price doesn't go up. Is that what you're saying?
Well, if you figure that we kind of hung on to 25 today, and I know there's a lot of shorts underwater, and they're running out of time.
What are they running out of time of? I don't understand. What time are they running out of?
Well, because there's going to be a lot of synthetics out there.
What synthetics? I don't understand. How does this amplify the problem for anyone short on AMC? Here's why I ask you this. When you split, okay, you make an additional ticker, it doesn't take away from it only takes away from the value of AMC. So AMC on Monday is going to be half the value. Let's just do it at 25. It's going to be 12.50. Whoever is short this stock can return it Monday, can return it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They don't even have to worry about the ape equity part. All they have to do is return the said share. How is that a problem? Thank you. It's not a problem. That's why these guys who don't understand, and I was doing it back then. My whole point of this whole thing is you guys can look at all the videos you want in the world about whatever we've shown in the past. I've been dead on this forever. Forever. It's been correct. They're not worried about FTDs. They're not worried about returning the shares. They're not worried about any of that shit. They're going to get them anyway. At a cheaper price. Anyway, there's my point. Let me go read the chat. Let me get the hell out of here. Come on the Discord. He never came to the Discord. What else is new? These guys never come to the Discord. Discord's wide open, guys. Voice chat channel's there. Come get some. Let me know what you want to talk about. There you go. Paid pumper is always someone coming into up onto the scene. Yeah, he can talk about AMC all he wants, but any rational person, we already talked about that. Apparently, you're not rational. Catalina wine mixer, you asked me, should you sell? I don't know what you should do. I don't care. So passionately hate AMC. Weird, you feel the need to save people. Fishy. This is bullshit. I don't feel the need to save people. You do whatever the fuck you want to do. I hope you don't get saved. You know how many people in Bed Bath & Beyond I want to lose money? All of them. How many people in AMC I want to lose money? I guess all of them. All of them that are left. Right? What is it? Is that who I am? Does that make me a better person if I were to say it that way? No. Keep grinding, brother. Thank you so much, Ravenstown. Glad to catch someone live today. Thank you so much, Ravenstown. I'm trying my best. But these guys just don't even understand, man. Don't help me. No, I don't care if she has herpes. She said hi to me, bro. I'm going to try it. Bro, I'm just telling you. I've seen guys go over there, get some, come back with crabs, bro. Don't do it. It's not a very good thing for you. I heard she's got it, bro. She's going to give you that clap. She's going to do something different. Guys still walk over. It's all right. I can live with it. Let me try it. Let me see what it's like. In the chat today is a gentleman called Off All Day. Off all day. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. How you feeling, brother? Your mic is on mute. I love these guys who come in and their mic's on mute. You got to change the settings on your phone or you got to click on the mic, brother. I'll leave you there. You can talk. Why doesn't a company with 1.2 billion cash on hand have a chance? Oh, my goodness. Come on, RF. Come on the stream. Oh, he will never. Calling it right now. GME experienced a short squeeze thanks to AMC investors. It'll be purely based on retail emotion. No, it won't. And that won't do it. Give us your bear thesis live. Oh, I'm down with that. RF, the ETA day trader. Oh, tell me about it, bro. Let's talk about the appeal that got what the hell for? Why are we going to talk about a court case that doesn't, none of that matters, guys. The lawsuits don't matter. I'm sorry to tell you this. None of it matters. Bankruptcy court's going to matter because RF is going to say going digital. There we go. Hey, I'm an ape, and me and my friends are buying Ford like crazy. Well, Armor, good for you. And I hope you buy them at full price, like retail price. Are you talking about the stock or the actual vehicles? I think you should go buy the cars. Oh, here we go. Dazed. How you doing, Dazed? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the channel. How you doing, brother? Dazed, I could hear myself in your own mic. Well, now I can't, but go ahead. What's up? Oh, Dazed left. Dazed didn't want any. There you go. These guys say they want to come in the chat and hang out. I've got 30 more minutes. Dazed, you're muted now. Now you're unmuted.
No,
how you doing? You're good.
Can you hear feedback?
No, I can hear you perfect.
Okay, cool.
What's going on? What's on your mind?
Just chilling. Checking out some of your videos. I kind of disappeared for quite a while after losing my mind, and I started getting back into doing research and just trying to make it in life.
That's cool.
I appreciate a lot of your videos. I don't know if you know this, but I ran an AMC Discord, and I left after I started watching your videos and found out who Apollo was and what they were doing.
Yeah.
Tried to convince everybody in the Discord, and they lost their shit on me.
Yeah.
And I left.
It's all good, brother. My Discord's free.
Yeah.
It's always will be, and we have good conversations, but all of that is factual.
I wanted to say I appreciate what you do. People need to see this stuff,
Yeah, no, I appreciate that, man. I don't think there's anybody out there that's actually taking the time to drill it down, make PowerPoint presentations, do the videos, and show them exactly what's happening with their plays. But I found a niche for it. It's what I like to do. I enjoy the education on my end because I learned so much. It's not like I'm a know-it-all. I didn't just wake up and go, I know this. I actually had to go do the homework and connect the dots myself. But once I did, I thought it was pretty glaring. And it's not.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, but I'm happy that you're the one guy who got to see it. That's all I care about, bro. Straight up.
But yeah, I've been watching your videos. Your brother, are y'all twins?
Identical twins, yes.
Wow. I thought that was just another one of I thought that was like your football channel.
No,
and it took me a minute, realized you don't have facial hair.
Yeah, nobody has time to do the due diligence that he does or what I do. I tried it when I first started YouTube, and I couldn't. I couldn't keep up with sports and finance at the same time because it was so in-depth. And I would be doing a disservice to anyone because I wouldn't be going enough in one direction. So I said, hey, bro, you can handle sports. I'll do finance. And it's just what we do. We choose to do this, and we like to do it, and it's one of those things.
No, I get it. My fantasy football record started going down when I got into stocks because I wasn't doing the research I needed to do on my teams anymore.
Yeah, we were going to do a fantasy football league this year. Hot this year hit me up about it. He's the reigning champ, like always. He didn't win last year, but he won the year before, and he was like second place last year. Very good guy. But I just don't know when I'm going to have time to get around to it. But it's always fun. It's just for me, it's really bad because I don't pay attention to players and teams, and I don't pay attention to anything anymore. I don't watch TV, so it's really different for me.
I'm guessing you're in Texas.
No, I'm in California.
Oh, is he in Texas?
Nope.
Or maybe I don't know why I thought you were a Cowboys fan. Maybe it was just
we're diehard Cowboy fans, but we don't.
Oh my God.
We don't live there.
I went to U of A, University of Arkansas, and it's a bunch of Texas folks.
Good.
There's a lot of Cowboys fans in Northwest Arkansas.
Yeah, Jerry Jones.
Jimmy Johnson and
Jerry Jones both went there together.
Yeah. So forgive me when I am adamantly opposed to Cowboys fans. It's nothing hateful. It's just it's a rivalry between me and family members and whatnot.
That's awesome. I'm reading this comment here. It says, I'm invested in the S&P 500, something GameStop won't ever get in. Been there, done that. Don't worry, they're on their way back.
That's funny. Like I came in here and I'm not invested in GameStop, right? I've done no DD on it. Nothing. I have no idea what's going on, but I know that it's popping. Like my nephew, his request for Christmas every year for like the past 5 years has been GameStop gift cards.
Sure. Yeah, I love that. That's what I buy. I'm gonna tell like this is like my GME, secret.
But I buy a lot of shit from them.
Yeah, well, look at this. I had the opportunity to buy some points for League of Legends. I play League of Legends and I wanted to do some stuff on it. And so I was going to get $10. I could put in my credit card and get it from Blizzard. I don't. I went to GameStop. I got it from them. And because I bought the $10 card from GameStop, I actually got $5 off because my monthly, I get $5 off, each month. They go, you want to use your coupon? So I had $5 credit on there. I was like, yeah, use it. So I got $10 for $5. It was worth it. But here's a comment here. It says, still got my 1,000 shares in GameStop. Don't even look at it much anymore. I remember you excited claiming you predicted the $25, which I did. It says, your TA, why 18 now? Good fundamentals. And now this is kind of like a backsided like compliment. And it's great fundamentals. And the reason why the stock price is $18 is because the whole stock market's down, right? So fundamentally, the stock at $18 is infinitely better than at 25 because of the cash position alone. You're buying equity. If it's $18 flat, you're buying essentially 20 or almost 25%. It's 22%, 23% of a cash position on the stock. Like they don't understand the discount of what it is. So you're only paying 13% per share, $13 per share for the equity because the cash is cash, it's flush. But if people knew this stuff, like when they buy their stock, they would understand the value of what they own. But they don't understand the value. So, buddy, I wish you all the luck with your shares. You're doing great. You've been here for 2 years, but don't doubt your investment. Do what you got to do, man. That's it. But you're doing well. And don't worry, I'm still going to be here. A year or two from now, I'm still going to be here, and that stock price might be 18 or $20. And I hope it is, because I'm going to buy everything I can over the next 2 to 3 years. I'm going to buy everything I can every day until it actually reflects where it needs to. And then when that happens, well, there you go. Name a company in the S&P 500 with a better balance sheet than GameStop. Ooh, that's tough. You can't. You can't. I've looked. I've been grinding for a long time. There's not one. Can't even do your own homework to your own individual stock. No, you cannot. Rumor has it the last person that sold all their GameStop to go all in on Bed Bath & Beyond was Bed Bath & Beyond CFO. Yikes. Daryl, stop the bullshit. Anyway, I got you in the chat right now. Is there anything else you want to touch on there, Daze? No,
no, I'm just chilling, seeing what you were talking about.
Yeah, you can.
If you have a chance in the future, I'm looking for just commentary or resources on understanding or trying to learn balance sheets.
Sure.
In the filings.
Yeah, I mean, I go over them every time they come out. So.
Okay, so when are you usually live?
There's no usual live time for me, only because of my job. I'm busy and I'm in life. I'm trying to stay healthy and do things around the house.
When do you sleep?
I don't. I'm about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. I swear to God, last night I got off at midnight. I was talking to Almo at one point, and then I got home, made a video, did my midnight talk video, and posted that. Got it home, played some League of Legends till about 1 a.m., 1:30ish. Finally winding down. Wake up at 5. Yes, I probably slept 3.5 hours, 4 hours, somewhere in that range. 3 hours. I don't know. Woke up. I took my son to school, and then I got back in here, start grinding out videos, clipping, cutting, doing what I got to do, and then go live. That's it. So that's my day, man. Every day, and make sure I get the info I need, catch up on all the info, all the headlines. But it's cool. So this guy's pretty adamant that we're copium when it comes to GameStop. That's just ridiculous. I haven't seen any of you post your portfolio in the Discord. You're all down on your initial investment in GameStop. RF, absolutely. I think everyone in the world is down on GameStop because they've been buying in for so long, but we're happy to be down. I'll tell you who's not down. Ryan Cohen. So I feel good about my investment, or Roy and Kitty. So there you go. Tell it to my negative cost basis. Yeah, I mean, I'm almost in the 20s, so it's working out for me. He has some shares 24, but know that he's been in well over 50. Who's that? Me? No, RF, you got me all wrong. But it's cool, man. You can think, I'll leave it where it's at. Yeah, not in the 50s though. Definitely in the low 30s. I'll just tell it to you like that. So if we got to 32, oh my God, I got to run. It's going to be great. My first buy-in was at 37 in January 2021. That's $9.25. Sit down. That's hilarious. Yeah, my first buys were in February, and I'll let you decide. A lot was going on in February. Both ways, up and bottom. Because the stock isn't going anywhere, cost basis, yeah. So you think Marantz has talked about GameStop for 2.5 years because it's cost basis average? Yeah, that's what it is. Give up my whole life for it. Stopping in for lunch. Thank you so much, Tetron. I appreciate that. You're awesome. You know that. What happened here? Oh, 5 more memberships for Ruben? Ruben, you didn't have to, man. You know that. Fuck, Ruben's awesome. Yep, I'm 20. Yeah, I know. You're 20, all right. You're 20 seconds from saying the wrong thing again and again. Let's see what else we have here. Who cares? You have a lot to learn, little guy. Absolutely. Again, love it, guys. Your free entertainment. I hope. Yeah, I know. Definitely Kunta, without a doubt. Can't get it right says a whole bunch of X's. So XRP, XLM, XDC. Nobody even knows what these are. We don't pump out random bullshit. Don't forget all about the people who helped to make money when they all sold their AMC and Bed Bath & Beyond during their runs. Correct. We're supposed to like all this. Do you think AMC will have another pump and dump scenario? I'm looking to exit. Well, you had that exit about 2 weeks ago when it was bumped up in the after hours to $9. No, I don't think it'll pump. Not before the split. Not before the reverse stock split conversion. I just don't see that happening. You can't control it. Right now, it's going to be a $40 conversion is going to be like the new pump. I'm telling you. It's going to convert. It's going to be around $23, $24, $25, somewhere in that range. Once it's around $25 stock, it's going to pump up to $40. And everyone's going to be like, oh my God, it's at 40 again. But they don't understand it's only $4. Trying to catch up on the stream, did Marantz address the AMC dividend scam news? No, I didn't even see what that is, Notorious. But if it's out there, send it to me. I'll do a video. RF getting owned live in 4K. Yep. Issues are the balance sheet. Check the next 10Q. Do you think AMC will have another pump? No, I do not. Do you think looking to exit? Wow, you guys are all saying the same thing? What the hell is that? I don't know what's going on there. Yeah. Anyways, past is the past. Who cares when an amazing future going to start that you preach? You made it sound like it would be stabilized at $25 earlier and go up from there. Buddy, apparently you're skeptical. Apparently you're skeptical, and I'm going to let you be the skeptic. Okay? Don't believe it. Sell it. Honestly, bro. Don't believe it. Sell it and walk away. Walk away with the money you have and walk away with the ideas you have. You can tell me that I made it seem something. Is that what you're saying? No, I've said this from the day I've been here. I let Ryan cook. I believe in Ryan Cohen. I believe in leadership, and I believe in you, the individual. If you don't want to be here, you don't have to be. I put in money I don't need. Then yeah, I'm down more than you are. I'm down more than some people. But am I down enough to ever sell? Never. Never. I don't ever need it. I'm selling my AMC between $4 and there we go. And he bought it at $3.50. There we go. Give me a good company to invest in other than GameStop. Okay, Costco. There you go. Best Buy. I don't do that. I don't have to do that. Bigger discount is on its way. How about you do your homework? Why do I have to give you a stock to invest in? Period. Is that like some new slang for the young people? Yeah, I don't know what they're saying, bro. I have no idea why Marantz is talking about GameStop leases as if it didn't affect AMC and Bed Bath & Beyond and every other brick and mortar out there. No doubt, Adam Aaron isn't better than the GME's previous management. Yeah? No, I was directly talking about GameStop's balance sheet and why people say GameStop is going bankrupt back in 2018, 2019, and 2020. That's why I was talking about it. So there you go. A broke plant. How in the hell does GameStop lease agreements affect Bed Bath & Beyond AMC? Oh, it can't affect Bed Bath & Beyond. They're bankrupt. LMNOP is mooning. But nothing happened as preached. That's all. Okay. You don't think it's happening? You don't think it's happening? Ryan Cohen tweeted, right? Not for long. Oh my God, these people are getting more retarded and the stocks keep crumbling. There you go. What has Marantz preached that said would happen by X date? Correct. More GameStop, picture the cow. There we go. Marantz can't guarantee price action. It's a long-term play for him. You can't look at the short term. Correct. We know this. And they're short, they're nearsighted. 2 years is short. 5 years is about average. 10 years is right where I want to be. I'm just telling you, 10 years, I've been buying Costco for 10 years. It's $100 a share, touch all the way up to 600. That's a good 10-year run. 6x my money. I'll let you look at GameStop in 10 years. I'll still be here. Shout out to all the people who got a free membership, and thank you so much, Ruben, for supporting the channel. But, you know, everybody, you want to support the channel, just watch a video. I'm good with it. I'm so happy I got to 600 shares. Oh, good job. Next milestone, 650. I hear you. My next milestone is going to be 20 shares. I got to 10 today. Now I want 20. All right. Am I ready to go? Am I ready to take off? I got to go to work soon. Michael Matthews, GME, what a joke. Are you sure? No one's buying a car that sounds like a mullet. I go for Chevrolet and Mercedes. There you go. Aren't you guys tired of Marantz referring to the old videos so he can rub it in, says I told you so? No, they're not tired of that. Are you kidding? They were there with me. They were there with me. Bed Bath & Beyond ever hit $1? No, it'll never happen, bro. That'll never happen. BBBYQ, never. August 2022, GameStop trading at $40. GameStop trading at 18 now. Oh, poor guy. It took $1 million investment and put it into GameStop. Nerdy Foe. AMC was at $27 that very same day. AMC's lost 90% of their equity. 90. GameStop is down, let's just call it 50. I'm going to be fair because it was $23 just the other day. So 50%. What are you talking about? Oh, it's hilarious, bro. It's hilarious. What world do we live in? Your mom gave me the clap. Okay, thank you. If you want to hook up with old people, that's on you, bro. That got nothing to do with me. GameStop has no private equity vulture. Yep, that alone is a huge sign that we're in a great long-term hold. Correct. GSG, don't ever say that again. Oh, man, let him, bro. I got a mic. You can speak into it. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. I mean, is this Kunta the Third? I mean, who guys? I'm so nervous about these tough guys on the internet. It's making me. I'm scared. Digital game sales continue to grow even as the company and other initiatives become Amazon for games. Sell TVs, get into the wholesale PC accessory business, have all stalled and fizzled out. I don't know, Gravis. The economy's crumbling. Nobody's making money. GameStop was flat in sales year over year. So I don't know. When I bought a Tesla at first, I got cut in half. But 6 years later, 4 to 8 times from the low. Glad I held. Thank you, XBit. I know exactly what it's all about. Dude, I love your facts. Thank you. Amazing. The sales say something different. Thank you, DRS. Let them know. Amazon's shutting down fresh locations. What's good, my brother? Great having you on and hanging out yesterday. Yes, only the float, but that was 2 days ago. It wasn't yesterday. It was 2 days ago, brother. Yeah, because I had the day off 2 days ago, not today. Everything you state is borderline. Yeah, I know. Maybe. Maybe borderline. Just maybe. Yo, we're getting there. I'm almost down the top of the chat. Appreciate it at the bottom. Thank you for all that you do. I'm in AMC. Lost some of it, but not awful. There you go. But I'm selling before the split. Buying all GameStop. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. Yeah, Al, I'm just going to tell you, waiting that long might cost you some more dollars, but, you know, do your best. AMC is a gift that keeps on giving. Yep. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. Gravis is back. I don't understand, though. Like, is PP not giving you enough airtime? If you surveyed Walmart, you will find it look a lot like the demographics of Marantz's audience. I mean, the whole world shops at Walmart. So that's cool. Why would it matter what people look like? What do you look like, Gravis? Why don't you come into the chat in the Discord and come put your little mug up on the screen? Let's go live with you, bro. You might be one of them. Lane, do you main in league? What lane do I main? Top, bot, any lane. Heimerdinger, any lane. You're invested in a worthless equity and you still haven't realized it. Gravis, do you think the opinion really matters? Go slob on PP's knob. Yeah, I don't even understand, Gravis. Gravis, you own Bed Bath & Beyond, bro. You can't talk to me. You don't get to talk to me. All the investors in Bed Bath & Beyond look like they come from, I don't know, the circus, bro. This gentleman here has 5 nipples. And his name is... I don't even know their names anymore. The shirtless guys who just lay around all damn day. What are you talking about, bro? Why is the GME taking a dump while AMC is pumping? What's pumping, Kyle? What is pumping? This is pumping? Are you serious? 1 hour chart. Is that a pump to you? Look at this shit, bro. From $8 to $3 to $4. Over 50% decrease. GameStop in the same time frame. 1 hour. $23 to $18. $5 down. $5. Meaning 20%. That's it. 20% down. Versus 50. They move the same, bro. Why? Why is it doing this, Marantz? What is going? Why are we rocketing today? Oh, AMC is a rocket. Oh my God. Somebody leave it on the hour chart so we can look at it. Make sure we zoom out. You guys are idiots. AMC can't run because it's attached to a worthless ape. Correct. Yeah. Just getting in, guys. Frankie Big Lips, I'm so happy you're here. Gravis, this dude. Ugh. Gravis, you're famous, bro, for all the wrong reasons. AMC is just a gap fill, that's all. You grifted as a corporate BK attorney. Oh my God, Gravis. And who are you, bro? What do you do for a living? Now that you guys have come up and figured out all the mods and what they do. I mean, I've seen Conco Native do his true due diligence on the channel. Kai's Malej. All you Bed Bath & Beyond punks. You guys don't want a piece of this. You guys lost. I told you were going to lose. And you did. Are we still winning because I feel like a winner? Thank you. I feel like a winner every time I get a handful of stock at $18. Trust me. Last 3 years, GME short volume has been 75% plus. Yeah, they're truly trying to push it down. Wonder why. So they could buy it back, High Corner. They push down the price of GameStop so they can buy it. They all want to buy it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it because I'm getting more. There's probably only a handful of people in here that have ever bought or held a stock for 5+ years. Thank you. Still have it every day. Dang, man, I'm trying to tell you. And Stack, shout out to you, bro. Still here every day. Facts, not fiction. Thank you, Hulk Hogan. Thank you. I love to reminisce. We should. I actually owned Costco for 10 years plus with share grants and RSUs. Oh, my God. Just so great, bro. So awesome. I don't even know what I'd do. Hold for 5 years? I've been in a bad relationship longer than that. Holding a good stock like GameStop cost me nothing. Scott Pullen, I heard that, bro. Family has been held stocks for 50+ years. Think bigger, everyone. Correct. I told my wife yesterday. I'm telling you right now, babe, when I'm gone, you better hang on to my shit. It's worth something. Really want to help the kids lock it in for a 100-year trust. Rip off into the sunset and dividends. There you go. I'm down with that. Got a special dividend coming for GameStop or for Costco. I'm so sorry. It has not been announced. It has not been announced. I'm just going to put it out there. But according to my math, it's going to happen soon enough. And when it happens, guess what happens to Costco stock? It's going to go up. It's going to go up. Oh, you know who owns a lot? Not me, bros. Don't come looking for me. GME down 60% in the last 12 months. Oh, boo-hoo. Is that true? Oh, my God. How about their cash balance? Is their cash up or down over the last 12 months? Smart guy. Yeah. Important news, bro. This is buying low. Exactly. Man, honest question. You new here? Yeah, he's new. Gravis has been. He's a PP Seeds mod, bro. Hangs out with PP Seeds, this kid. Garbage. How could you ever listen to that guy? And you know what I'm going to listen to? I'm going to listen to Marantz's greatest hits right now. If you don't know what Marantz's greatest hits are, I'm going to find them as I leave out of here. Hold on.
Well, it's just because there's only a set amount of apes coming out. Was it 517 million?
Has nothing to do with ape. Pay attention to AMC.
Well, hedge funds and brokers are going to be scrambling for legit shares.
Legit shares of AMC?
Legit shares of AMC.
Okay, so I'm looking at the daily chart right now on YouTube, okay? I'm just curious because I'm looking at it. And right now the stock price, and remember I have this blue arrow, I don't know if you can see because you're not looking, probably you're on your phone, but at $25, it's up here, it gets cut in half, it comes down to down here where I have this blue arrow. Guys, it loses everything, it goes right back to where it was the whole month of May, so if you're shorting it even now, you're very smart, because the price and the short of the AMC share has nothing to do with the APE equity unit. They literally don't care about APE because they're not even going to worry about it. They're not going to deliver APE because they're going to deliver the share. What's that going to do to the price? AMC's going to go back to what, $20? You think? You think it's going to go up?
See, I mean, I guess theoretically, you know, they should, you know, probably wind up somewhere around 50-50.
Not somewhere. It's going to be 50-50 every time. You know that, right?
Well, once all the shorts have to close their positions or get margin called, there could be a run on AMC.
Who's getting margin called? What the hell? Man, you guys are in Neverland. Neverland. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Pretty crazy the next 2 days. You know, that's all.
The next 2 days it's going to get crazy?
Yeah, oh yeah. I mean, people are scrambling now. I mean, just the amount of FUD out there, and there are people just trying to, you know.
I see everyone selling to go run into Bed Bath & Beyond and GameStop. I don't know. Did you see the halts today?
That was a nice run. That was a beautiful run, actually.
But I thought we run together. I thought AMC and GameStop run together. I'm trying to figure it out.
Well, the bottom line is, what's it? The average short position's around what, $23?
All right, let me ask you something. You know why it's $23? Because it's going to get cut in half on Monday, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter. They can return the shares at 12. They can return the shares at 13, 14, 15, the whole way through. But here's the crazy part, dude. And I like you. I like you already because you're convinced. Who's going to invest? Now, listen. You're not in AMC for fundamental reasons, correct? You don't care. Like this, you know, the business is a rundown deal. It's done.
No.
What do you mean?
I'm in AMC for a different reason.
For a squeeze?
For squeeze, just for a fight for the retail investor.
Okay. You think that's a fight for the retail investor?
I think so. I mean, if you look at, you know, all the FUD being, I mean, even, you know, of course, the shill, Jim Cramer, you know, telling apes and GMEers to sell and go home, and you got Bank of America, you know, saying that, you know, we have to let the bottom of the market hit, or else.
Yeah, but has Cramer ever said you need to sell AMC or go home?
Yeah, he did.
No. He said Adam Aron's a great guy, runs a great business, and it's coming back, and he's fighting back. I just saw the interview the other day. It was great. It was hilarious. But I ask you, stop using GameStop DD for AMC DD. But here's the crazy part, okay? And I'm with you, freedom fighters. I don't want this is me. I wouldn't pick Adam Aron to be the leader of anything. Certainly, if I'm going to be fighting against hedge funds, whatever it may be. He has no money in the game. He cashed out on you. Yeah, you know, I'm a military guy, firsthand, right? So when I was in the Army, I would eat last. I'm a sergeant, right? I eat last. My soldiers eat first. Adam Aron has the complete opposite mindset. His investors don't eat first. He does. He sells his shares. His kids sell their shares. That's the difference in leadership. Ryan Cohen's willing to hold the goddamn bag and let the whole world come out here and get GameStop shares for the price they get them at. Because he's holding, we get the price of where they're at. Because DFV's holding, we get the price of where they're at. All of our insiders have bought this year on GameStop. And yes, when I say ours, because I own the company.
Welcome to Marantz Rantz, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Marantz Rantz. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Kenny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC or superstition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. 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 Welcome to Marantz